In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. This task should take around 5 minutes of your time. We'll go through the process step by step so you can personalize your Gmail experience to better suit your needs. First, you'll want to navigate to your Gmail inbox. This is where we'll begin our process. Once you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a small gear icon, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will open up the quick settings pane where you can find various options to customize your Gmail. Now, within the quick settings menu, there is a feature list that you can scroll through. Look for an option labeled Help Me Write. This is the feature that provides writing suggestions and assistance within Gmail, and it might be something you prefer to disable, especially if you like to keep your email interface clean and simple. Once you locate Help Me Write in the settings, you'll see an option to opt out. It might just appear as a simple checkbox or a toggle button. Click on the option to opt out and this will effectively disable the Help Me Write feature from your Gmail. Disabling this feature is instantaneous and you should immediately notice its absence from your composing options. If for any reason you can't see the Help Me Write option in your settings, it's possible that it might not yet be available in the version of Gmail you're using, or updates have changed its location. If this happens, I recommend checking any recent updates from Gmail or looking at forums where other users might share their experience. Another tip I want to share is that if you ever wish to reactivate this feature, you can always follow these same steps. Simply go back to the settings icon, look for Help Me Write, and toggle it back on. That's it, you've successfully removed the Help Me Write feature in Gmail. Adjustments like these can make your email environment much more tailored to your personal or professional needs, reducing any unwanted distractions or suggestions. We hope this guide helps you create a more streamlined email experience. If you found this helpful, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments or give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.